Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 5th English grammar 5th chapter, and that is articles and determiners. First of all, we all know that a and the are called articles in English grammar. They are really a kind of adjective. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound, before U sounded as U and before O sounded as wo. Second, an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound or silent H. Third one is we use the when it is clear which thing or person we mean as. Here's the exercise 5.1. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. First one is never tell dash lie, and the correct answer is A because lies start with a consonant sound. Second, she is dash intelligent girl, and the correct answer is N because I is referred to a vowel sound. Third, Haridwar is dash holy city, and the answer is A. Fourth, copper is dash useful matter, and the correct answer is A. Fifth, he will return after dash hour, and the answer is N. We use N because H is start with the silent and O refers to a vowel sound. Next one is he looks as stupid as dash hour, and the correct answer is N. Seventh, Aladdin had dash wonderful lamp, and the correct answer is A. 8. Sanskrit is dash difficult language, and the correct answer is A. And the rest of the question you have to do yourself in your book only. Now question number second. Where will you put the in the following sentences? Before the use of the, let me clear one thing. There is the use of the in lots of cases. First one is to speak of a particular person or thing, we use the. With a singular noun to represent a whole class, we use the. And with the names of gulfs, rivers, seas, ocean and group of islands and the mountain range, we also use the, like the Yamuna, the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas. Fourth one, with a particular natural object that are unique, we also use the. So, start the question number first. Sun rises in east, and the answer is the sun rises in the east. In this statement we use the before the sun because sun refer to a natural object that are unique, so we use the. Second, how blue sky looks, and the answer is how blue the sky looks. Again we put the before the sky because it also refers the natural object. Third one is music of film was very loud, and the correct answer is the music of film was very loud. Fourth, moon was not shining in sky, and the correct answer is the moon was not shining in the sky. Fifth, who is captain of your team, and the correct answer is who is the captain of your team. Sixth, have you heard about accident? Have you heard about the accident? 7. There was a shop at corner of a street, and the correct answer is there was a shop at the corner of the street. We put the before the corner and before the street. Next one is I am sitting in bathtub, and the answer is I am sitting in the bathtub. My dear student, do this question in your notebook only. Now question number third, add a, an or the. First one is there is dash cat on dash sofa, and the answer is there is a cat on the sofa. Second, there is dash bird in dash cage, and the answer is a and the. Third, dash goldfish is not in dash bowl, and the answer is the goldfish is not in the bowl. Fourth, there is dash glass on dash table, and the answer is there is a glass on the table. My dear student, rest of the question you have to do yourself in your book only. Now question number 4, choose the correct answer. You have to give a clue and you choose the right one. First one is Maria is outside in dash, and the answer is the garden. Second, our house has not got dash, and the correct answer is a garden. Third, who is dash in that car, and the answer is the woman we use the human because it refers a particular person. Next one is there was dash in the car and the answer is a human. And the rest of question you have to do yourself in your book. Now exercise 5.2. Before doing this exercise, I want to tell you determiner. A determiner is a word that comes before a noun and shows its limit. It is really only an adjective. Words like a, and, the, all, to, both, this, that, my, yours, some, any, each, every, little, few, many, much, a lot of. They all are the determiners. First one is fill in the blanks with some or any. We use some in normally affirmative sentence. We use any in negative and questions. First one is I can't eat dash more potatoes. And the correct answer is any. Because this statement refers in a negative form. So we use any. Second, there is not dash milk in the pot. And the answer is any. Third, we have dash fine flowers in our garden. And the answer is some because it refers to affirmative sentence. Next one is she wants dash egg. Have you dash? So in first blank we use some. She wants some eggs. And in the next blank we use any because it referred a question. So we use any. Fifth one, he asked me for dash soap but I hadn't dash. So the answer is some and any. Sixth, don't make dash noise. I want to have dash sleep. And the answer is any noise and some sleep. My dear student, do this question in your book. Question number second, we use put is no or any. First one is I have dash time to play and the answer is no. Second, I don't have dash time to play and the correct answer is any. Third, there is dash sugar in the pot and the answer is no sugar. Fourth, there is not dash sugar in the pot and the answer is any. Fifth, there were dash children in the park and the answer is no children. Sixth, there weren't dash children in the park and the correct answer is any. My dear student, do this question in your book only. Rewrite each sentence in the not any form. Use the short form of not. In this sentence, we only use the short form of not. First one is he gave me no money and the answer is he didn't give me any money. Second, I saw no one in the park. I didn't see anyone in the park. Third, the poor man had no shoes. The poor man didn't have any shoes. Fourth, he will give his bike to nobody. He won't give his bike to anybody. We convert nobody into the anybody. Fifth, there were no apples on the tree. There weren't any apple on the tree. Tom has got no brother or sister. Tom hasn't got any brother or sister. My dear student, do this question in your notebook. Now, question number 4. Work with your partner. Write true sentence using the following. First one is no. And the sentence is I have no money in my pocket. Second determiner is some. And the sentence is there are some birds in the tree. Third is much. We use much with uncountables. So, we make a sentence. How much cheese in there in the fridge? Fourth, a few. We use a few with countables. And the sentence is I have got a few tomatoes. Next one is any. We use any in negative and affirmative sentence. So we make I haven't any money in my pocket. Next one is many. We use many with countables. So the sentence is how many tomatoes do you have? And the rest of determiners you have to do yourself in your notebook. I hope you all understand this chapter so well. Thank you.